So today I thought I would do a video talking about something that I haven't talked about on this channel, but that has been a big part of my life in like the past year and is a big part of my life again. Cycle syncing is, I feel like it's becoming more popular now. When I was trying to get pregnant and kind of trying to like take a holistic approach to like regulating and balancing my cycle and just trying to make sure everything was working optimally, I kind of fell into cycle syncing again, and I started doing it a few months before I actually ended up getting pregnant. And then when I was pregnant, obviously I didn't try and like do any special things in terms of eating or anything, but now that my cycle is back, I have started just like implementing small things for cycle syncing here and there. If you don't know, cycle syncing is basically living and eating in accordance to the 4 phases of your menstrual cycle. Have different hormones and different activity levels, different energy levels, different nutrient requirements through all the different phases of your cycle. There's lots of things that people say it helps with, like cramping, PMS, all that kind of stuff. I do notice that it helps with my symptoms, but I'm obviously like not a doctor, so I don't think that that's like scientifically proven. Maybe it is, but what I like about cycle syncing, especially the food aspect of it, is that it gets me just like eating a more varied diet. I buy pretty much the same stuff all the time. Like I will venture out and try different things, but in terms of like fruits and vegetables and grains, I pretty much just stick to all my favorites. What I like about cycle syncing is it just like prompts me to eat different things throughout the month. Or if I'm at the grocery store, for example, the other day I was like, oh, let's check my chart, see what is good in the follicular phase, and then I saw grapefruit and I was like, oh, I'll just pick up a grapefruit while I'm here. Haven't had grapefruit in probably like a year maybe, but yeah, so it just like reminds me to incorporate different things that maybe I don't normally buy. So that's personally why I like it. So my idea was to create a smoothie that like helped you get in a good amount of the recommended foods for each phase of your cycle, so that you could theoretically take little baggies or little containers and like prep smoothies for the different phases of your cycle, so that even if you're not cycle syncing all the time, you know that you're having like a very nutrient dense, optimized meal or snack at least once a day at some part in your cycle. I didn't want these to be gross, so like I'm not putting any weird stuff in the smoothies. These are all actually like really tasty ones that I personally think are just like very delicious smoothies in their own right, even if you're not like into no cycle syncing or anything. But they do incorporate the different foods for the different phases of your cycle, and again might just help you kind of like get out of your routine and incorporate some new fruits and vegetables, or like even nut butters and stuff that you normally don't. And best case scenario, it helps you with your PMS and stuff. So I feel like it's like a win-win. I want to do this as a series and maybe do like a soup for every phase of your cycle, a dessert for every phase of your cycle, like all the different things. But we're starting with smoothies because smoothies are, I think, just the easiest one and just such a good way to pack a bunch of nutrients in all at one time. Little chart that I have, I found this on Pinterest, and I just went through here and like, so for like menstrual phase, follicular phase, all of them, I just picked stuff out of each category that I thought would make a really good smoothie. What I really like the idea of, I mentioned before, is taking little Ziploc bags or little like silicone bags or whatever you want and pre-prepping smoothies so that you can just dump it all in the blender, add your liquid, and you're off. But yeah, do it however you want. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this theme, or if you're interested in this at all, please let me know below, because it is something that I have been super interested in, but I just I didn't know what the interest would be on my channel. So please let me know your thoughts, if you're into this, if you're not, if you find it interesting. But worst case scenario, you just got 4 delicious, very healthy smoothie recipes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!